Okay. It's too close. Oh, it's too close. I'm not doing very well right now. Hi guys! Look what I have! I'm so excited. It's still steaming hot. As you can see, I'm outside. It's finally snowing. My wish has finally come true. I said, you know, if this year I'm gonna be stuck at home, I sure hope it snows, because it's been, I think, like 2 years since I did a mukbang outside in the snow, because every year I'm not here, right? Like usually I'm in Thailand this time around. So I got woohoo, I'm so excited. There's so much cheese in here. Samyang spicy noodle stew type with lots of cheese, king crab, sausage, enoki mushroom, and kimchi inside. So I'm so hungry, you guys. I had such a hard time setting up my camera because I couldn't get the angle that I wanted for the backyard. And then I think for those of you who follow me on Instagram know that my power goes out quite often here, and we've been planning on getting a generator for quite some time now, but this year for some reason, maybe COVID, I don't know, but it's taken so long to actually get one. That was my napkin. I wore black purposely so you guys can see the snow. All right, let's get eating, because before this is kind of fun. All right, first bite. Okay, let's hope my light doesn't fall on me. All right, you guys, first bite. I am so excited to be eating outside. Lots of cheese on there. I don't think I have to cool this down at all because I'm outside. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Enoki mushroom. Mmm. King crab. Usually I don't like the soupy part, but today it's not so hot. Mmm. King crab and a spicy noodle go so well together. I think you know that already. Mmm. Oh my God. So this morning I woke up and it started snowing a little bit. I mean, I honestly didn't think it was gonna stick. Because for the whole month of December, weather forecast said we're gonna have a really cold winter. This and that. Be prepared. And it's almost the end of the year. Even when I was at my sister, we were both complaining like, it's December and I'm going outside, you know, without even a jacket on. So I didn't want to get too excited. In case it didn't stick, you know. And as you can see, it's so pretty. Sausage. This is the best sausage. And the birds are still out. Wow. I don't know if you can hear that. They're right outside the roof. And, oh, I was telling you the snow story. So after like a few hours, I worked out. I took a couple pictures to post on Instagram. And then it started to stick. And I'm like, oh my god, maybe you can finally do a mukbang outside. And then my husband comes downstairs. Oh, the power went out. I wasn't lying. Oh, and it came back on. It does that. It's been doing that all day today. I'm hoping it lasts. What was I saying? I forgot what was I saying. Oh. My husband. It's the trees crackling. The trees crackling on the background. It freaked me out because, you know, you're never usually outside. So, well, I mean, but you never really hear those like woodsy sounds. So it's kind of creepy. My husband comes downstairs. He goes, do you think it's too late to put the snow tires on the car now? You know, you don't think about it, right? I mean, we did, but then it didn't snow. Or it didn't even have a hint that it was actually going to snow. So, we didn't worry about it too much. And then today, there's like a foot of snow outside. Oh, lots of cheese on this one. You know what? I'm just gonna use my hands because it's hard because it's so heavy. There we go. See if I can. Look at the cheese. Oh. So anyway, he literally got dressed, took the car down to the shop. Well, he called first to make sure they had snow tires, and luckily they did. Got dressed, went out the door. Still not back yet because it takes about 2 hours to put the tires on. So I know, I don't know what's going on here. There's so much going on. I'm just too excited to eat outside in the snow. Hopefully the lighting's okay. Because you know the snow is so bright. When you face this way, you will be really dark, right? It's kind of like you don't take a picture, like having the camera facing the sun. Whoa. And also, I wanted to mention, I know some of you probably want like a Christmas vlog at my sister's house. Well, turns out when I got home, because I stayed there for a few weeks, and once we got home, there was an announcement that we're basically on lockdown again, that it's only essential travels only, and that, you know, people in the same household shouldn't be getting together. So we can't go to my sister's house for Christmas or New Year's. I know, as sad as it sounds, but I mean, I think that's what we need to do, everyone, to stay put in order for this whole, you know, thing to sort of calm down a little bit, because it's really, really getting out of hand. Anyways. Just wanted to say that, because I know I said I was gonna be there for Christmas and we were gonna vlog it. You know, the first year we're here for Christmas, we can't even go. But I mean, it is what it is, right? Oh well. Better be keeping yourself safe and keeping the community safe and your family safe. There'll always be next year. It's sad, but I don't know. Yeah. Oh well. My hands are getting cold, you guys. Okay, so we're now outside in the backyard because I want to take you guys to the pond area and the backyard because the view is so amazing. I know a lot of you guys who are watching right now don't really get this type of weather. Like, look how beautiful this tree is. Just, like, look at that. Let's go this way. So beautiful, isn't it? Anyways, let's go check out the pond. This is where I did the mukbang before. The waterfall is off right now. I could technically turn it on, but anyway, that's the pond there. The fish is okay. They climatize. It's so peaceful. We'll go this way. just love this part. I'll go this way. Oh, my eyebrows. Let's see. Let's see if we can see any of the fish. They're probably underneath the rocks. Yeah. Well, anyways, you guys, this is the first snowfall of the year, 2020. Let's hope it stays around for a while so I can do more mukbangs for you guys. If not, at least we got one. At least we got one. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, mwah, bye.